Friends, today we will do the chapter noun numbers. As you know that noun number has two parts, singular noun and plural noun. So what is a singular noun? We will write down the heading is singular noun and here plural noun. So what is singular noun? A noun is said to be singular if it refers to one person or thing. Means a noun which stands for one person, animal, place or thing are called singular noun. So heading you must write down, then the definition with two examples. Next is plural noun. A noun is said to be plural if it refers to more than one person or thing. Means noun which stand for more than one person, animal, place or thing are called plural noun. Which stand for one person is called singular noun. Which stand for more than one person, that is plural noun. So you will write down with the example. Now I will tell you how you had to change a singular noun into plural noun. Generally we use S or ES to make a noun into plural. Like book, books, tree, trees, door, doors. Ear, ears, bench. As you know that CH, S, double S, SH or X. When the noun end with these letters, then we have to add ES. Like it is end with CH, then we have to add ES with benches. Class, double S is there, ES we have to add. Fox, X is there, we have to add ES. Like glass, glasses. So you must write down the line with the both the tables. For the table, you will just make one table only for the all the singular and plural. Like you write down one time singular in one side and the other side of the table you will write down plural. You just add these one also just below these words. Okay? And same you have to just keep on adding. Most noun ending in F or FE form their plural by changing F or FE into VS. When the noun end with F or FE, but it is not apply to all the nouns that end with F or FE. I told most nouns, not all nouns. So when most of the nouns when end with F or EF, then FE, then we have to add VES. Like it is end with F, then leaves. It is end with life, then we have to just remove F and we have to add VES. Clear? You remove F and add VES. But there are exceptions also, like in proof, it is also end with F, but we have to add S. So these type of word you have to learn. This rule is not applied to all the nouns that end with F or FE. So again you must write down, and this line also you have to write down. Most noun ending in O form their plural by adding ES to the singular. Again, most noun, not with all nouns. When the noun end with O, we have to add ES. Mango, mangoes. Okay? Again, some nouns that end with O form their plural in the normal way. Like we have to add just S only with some noun that end with O. Like piano, pianos, stereos, studios. These are exceptional words. If a noun end with Y and the Y has a consonant before it, its plural formed by changing Y into IES. Like if the word end with Y and before Y one consonant is there, then we have to remove Y and add IES. Okay, but again the same rule, not with all. Country, remove y and add is. Family, remove ies. However, if noun end with a vowel, y its plural form by adding to s. Before y, if a vowel is there, then we have to add s. Like joy. Here again vowel. Vowel you know very well. A, E, I, O, U. If before y, A, E, I, O, U is there, then we have to add only s. Clear? Some nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular form. Like if any word is there, but some nouns are there, we have to change the inside vowel there. Like goose, we have to remove s, double o, and we have to use double e. Goose, geese. Love, lies. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. Like this we have to just remove the inner vowel. However, some nouns are also there, we have to add something to make it plural. Like ox, oxen, we have to add en. Child, children. Mongoose, mongooses. Specimen, specimens. Okay, so you must write down table of this one also. If a noun consists of several words, then the s is added to the main word. Like son-in-law, it make from 3 words. So we have to add the s with the main word. Like son is the main word here. So we have to add s, sons-in-law. Maid, servant. Servant is the main word. So we have to add s here. Commanders-in-chief. Brothers-in-law. Like this. You must remember that the plural of manservant is manservant. It is again an exceptional word. We have to make it this word also plural and this one also plural. The plural of child is children, we already discussed. The plural of ox is oxen, that we already discussed. So I hope you have understand till here. The remaining part we will do later on. Thank you.